Hello, welcome to Cooking at Home with Arlette. Today I take you to come along to cook chicken fried rice. It's first time what I have. Come to have a look. I got onion, chopping very piece smaller than onion. Mixed vegetable. Mixed vegetable got pea, got carrot, got sweet corn. Chicken breast slice piece like that. It's small piece like that. Chicken breast. And egg, 2 eggs. And rice. I cook rice in here and rice cooking already. First time put onion in first. Put cooking oil in. And when cooking oil hot, put onion in. Put chicken in. Stir it till chicken is cooked. Now chicken cooked. Put mixed vegetable in. Put egg in. Mix in together. When the egg is cooked, come up like that. Put some rice in. Put oyster sauce in about 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Thin soy sauce in about 2 tablespoons of thin soy sauce. About half teaspoon of the white pepper. Tomato, about half teaspoon of tomato. If you doesn't have tomato, you don't need to put it in. Stir together. taste it. Oh, so nice. Put more soy sauce in a little bit. Oh, done. Turn cooker off. That's chicken fried rice. So nice, so yum yum. I try it. Yum yum. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe it. Thank you.